Say you don't know anything. You just gotta lay low, man. And keep quiet about all this.
I fucking killed the guy. I wasn't in the shit, man. I was in logistics. Never shot anyone.
You had to do it.
Can't stop thinking about it. It just plays in my head over and over. I didn't even want to do it. You made me do it.
Chris, you need to relax, man. Do you hear me? Relax. Don't say anything to anyone, and this will all blow over.
Listen, I think we need to go to the cops.
Chris?
We can say it was self-defense, that they attacked us. Who are they gonna believe? We're fucking Marines. They're criminals.
Chris, what do you think we were doing out there? What do you think I do for a living? The guys who hired me to do that job are already pissed. I fucked it up. They sent a dude after me.
I can't live like this. We could go to jail.